Yo, Kiwi, thank you, bro.
Kozo. Hey. Baby buya, uyazi ngiyasifela ngawe. Baby luhle, ngiyathemba idala zayiqhenya ngathi. Baby nguwe, owenza inhliziyo umlomo ucule ngawe. I wrote this song for you, ngoba uwo wenza inhliziyo igide ngawe. Uyazi ngiyasifela ngawe. Baby luhle, ngiyathemba idala zayiqhenya ngathi. Baby nguwe, owenza inhliziyo umlomo ucule ngawe. I wrote this song for you, ngoba uwo wenza inhliziyo igide. Baby ngawe, bheka manje ngiyalimala. Baby kade wahamba manje sengathi ngiyadimanda. Baby buya, uyazi uyangqilaza, sengahlala ngibuza, thanda uyalingana, sithanda sami buya, ngiyazi bengasihlanganisanga uningi. Baby buka ngathi seliyabuna, asihlanganishe njengoba sasibabili. I remember when I met you, ungishayela isiketi emini. I remember when I first hug you, bekwabha emini. Bengacabanga ukuthi siyogcina sikwebhana la endlini. Uthando besilalela silwenza ingoma, masikhuluma sikhumula silalela uthando lwethu qinile amaguze boba. I remember when udota was cheating, baby ubhodlo kwembodla. Inhliziyo yami yajabula ibona ukuthi you care for me. Esontweni idansa kwegosa, we both addicted to our lives. We are connected like how I saw you over. Like someone who smokes weed, you did pull up on my family gathering. Baby please do come over. Our love was like a king of fighters. I was ruga, lungibambe ngevice, bese ngithi baby come tall. Every time baby, bongibamba nge-advice, uthola ikhanda lami selibhenda over. Ngithemba ukuthi uthando labantu ababa breadwinner. Malibanda baby ngizothenga
Another hits
itoaster.
jam from WebLoaded.com.
Yo, Kiwi, thank you, bro.